G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve, and today we're going to be looking at our next episode in our gardening tool maintenance series, where we're looking at how do you replace the handle on a garden fork or spade. As you can see, I have several garden forks, and a couple here are in particular need of maintenance because the handles are broken. So what we're going to look at is how we replace these handles. But can I make the point first of all, please don't be a part of the throwaway society. If you have something like this happen, fix it. Get a new handle and replace it rather than throwing the whole thing away. So let's look at how we actually go about replacing the handle. The first thing that you have to do is to remove the broken section of the old handle. Now you may find that that's a little bit difficult. You may need to use some chisels, you may need to use some drills even to bore out what is there. It's not simple, it's not straightforward, and I can't give a one way to fix all on that. You'll just need to work that one out for yourself. But once you get the handle out, you can see we've now got the hollow recess in which the new handle goes. So let's look at that. So here I have purchased a new handle. Now this handle is hardwood, and I really encourage you to not go cheap. Get yourself a good handle, otherwise you'll be finding that it breaks again. This particular one, as I said, is hardwood, and the process is really quite straightforward. So let's look at what it is we need to do in order to get this fork head onto the handle. We firstly place the tapered end of the handle into the fork, line it all up so that they are both level, give it a gentle tap, only gentle, not too much, and now it's a matter of just simply fastening it with some screws, or in fact you may have some bolts that you can use in the holes there. So let's do that. Now the screws that I'm using are galvanised. I really encourage you to either use stainless steel or galvanised, because obviously this is going to be in the weather and you don't want them rusting out before the life of the handle has finished. So make sure that they are at least stainless steel or galvanised. And there we have it, our new handle on our fork ready for use. And this should be good for quite a few years to come. The next thing is looking after the prongs on the garden fork. This particular fork is very old. In fact, it was my grandfather's, so it's got a bit of sentimental value to it. But you will notice that the prongs have become quite bent. So I'm going to straighten them, but first of all I'm going to remove the dirt and the rust that's built up on them first of all. So just with a wire brush, and now we have the prongs reasonably clean with the dirt and the excess rust removed. Now we're going to straighten them. The first part of that involves placing the fork into a vise or some way in which you can hold the fork fairly stable. And then with a piece of tubing like I have here, you can then place the tubing onto the prongs, and then that gives you the leverage necessary in order to straighten them. And so there we have it. What is a very old garden fork, which with regular maintenance will last for many years to come. So please, don't become a part of the throwaway society. If any of your garden tools break, please repair them. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Can I ask you please to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.